These seats are excellent, but unfortunately, for tomorrow night.
You look on Jim's face.
There's cake for Paula's birthday in the kitchen.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. She'll be fine.
The baby's crying.
So let's get you started today. These are the batteries. The tab makes it super simple. Slip it over the ear.
How's that sound?
Did you hear it?
I think so. That's amazing. Well, it's a rule. So what rule? I don't know if you can sport me. She's doing great. Yeah. Thanks, Dad.
Duracell batteries are long-lasting, so you don't miss the moments that matter.